Looking to work outdoors, be your own boss, and build a business you can grow? Starting a garden services and maintenance business in the UK is a brilliant opportunity right now. With millions of homes needing regular lawn care, hedge trimming, jet washing and general tidy-ups, the demand is huge, especially from busy homeowners, landlords and elderly customers. Here's what you need to get started: basic gardening equipment, a van or trailer, insurance, some training if needed, and most importantly, a steady flow of local leads. You don't need formal qualifications, just reliable service, good word of mouth, and a professional online presence. Most people find a gardener online. That means if you're not showing up on Google or your website looks outdated, you're losing work. A professional, mobile-friendly website builds trust and helps turn clicks into paying customers. That's where we come in. We build fully managed websites specifically for trades and local business, no tech skills needed. You'll get service pages that rank locally, quote forms, live chat, tap to call buttons, and all your Google reviews pulled straight in. It works day and night to bring you leads, from just £79 a month, with no contracts. To see what your garden maintenance website could look like and for more details, head to SMB Booster and let's make it happen.